What's up, guys? It's your girl NeyahNecole, and I am back with another video. What's up, y'all? So today, I think I've kind of done a look like this, but today is more so my simple but glam, not doing too much, but you're still popping, you know, type of face, type of eye, type of look, to where it's a Saturday, you don't want to be doing too much, but you need to be cute. This is that. So I pretty much use the same products I use every day. I just don't use as much. And it's kind of one of them beats that can happen in like 20 minutes when you rush it. Or if you're just taking your time, but you still want a simple glam beat, this is what I do. So if you want to see it, stay tuned. Hey y'all, so let's get started. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lightly put in an orange in my crease. You know, just build that nice little crease color. Nothing too heavy, too major. Keeping it real simple. So now I'm going in with more orange and I'm just defining it a little more to intensify it so it could really stand out. Pretty sure at this step of my makeup I was just adding a little more product, but for the most part the brush was clean, and then I start blending it out. So now we're going to add a little dimension to the eye. So I'm going to just put some brown in the V area and a little bit in the crease just to add a little dimension. Taking a little clean brush and cleaning up those edges. Now we're going to blend her out. Y'all already know how that goes. Okay, so now it's time to cut the crease using my P. Louise base. We're just going to clean up those areas. It's not really to where it could be super defined. I just wanted to clean up those other colors that I've used. Now I'm going back in with the brown to make sure those edges are seamless. Blend that out so that you don't have any harsh lines between the P. Louise base and your eyeshadow. Now I'm just packing on a light color out of the Morphe palette, and I am just covering the P. Louise base so it's still kind of light and neutral, but it also adds a color, so it's not just the paste. Alright, and y'all know a Nia look is never complete without a wing liner, okay? So we're just gonna go ahead and do a wing liner. A lot of people have asked me to do an in-depth tutorial on this wing liner way I do it, but guys, I really don't know how to explain it. For me, it's more so you kind of just gotta watch how I do it, honestly. People ask me why do I do my under eye. Honestly, because my eyes are so tight, it makes my eyes pop a little more. So of course, go ahead and do pretty much the same thing you did on the top on the bottom. Do I really gotta tell you what mascara I'm using? I feel like at this point we should all know what mascara I'm using. I'm using the Maybelline Time Shayla Big Shot. I don't remember exactly what lashes these are, but I'm pretty sure, knowing me, they're Allure, the Vegas Nay one, or they're the Allure Minks. Just saying. And I got them from Target. I never usually use white eyeliner under my waterline, so I decided to add a pop of white liner to just add something different to my look, I guess you can say. And we all know I barely have any bottom lashes, but a bottom lash mascara is a must when it comes to my makeup looks. And we are pretty much complete, guys. Did y'all like this look? This is what I call my neutral beat glam. Like, my eyelashes popping, and then I got the white liner to make my eyes pop a little more. But my eyes are so simple to where it's still a natural glam. You feel me? So if you guys like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Call up your homegirl and tell her, guess what? Nia just dropped a new video. You need to go watch it. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for supporting me. And I'll see you guys in my next video.